In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80190001. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to check for app updates. How we can do that, I want you to navigate here at Day Start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. So try to check if your computer is updated or not. So first is you need to wait until you can see a list of the option at the left pane, and once it's here, please proceed to the Windows Update, click on it, and then please update your computer to the latest version. This will help you to fix the error as well as make improvements on your device. Once you are done with this, I want you to restart your computer so that you can completely update your computer to the latest version. Once done, check if the error has been fixed, okay? Another solution that you can do is that you need to reset and repair the application, which is the Microsoft Store app. How we can do that at the search bar, please type for Store, then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store here. Once you have seen it, please navigate to the best matched, make a right click, and then click on App Settings. At the app settings, scroll down. Please click for repair and reset. This will help you to fix the problem. Complete the procedure. It will only take less than 2 minutes to do so. Once you have done it, try to check if the error has been resolved, okay? But if not, then I want you to proceed to the next solution, and that is to clean up temporary files. So by that, press Windows key and R key together. And then from here, please type for temp, then click on the OK button. And then you need to press Control A at your keyboard to select the whole, and then Shift and Delete key, and then click on Yes. And then once it marked here, this folder is empty, close the window, press Windows key and R key together. This time, please type for Clean MGR. Then click on the OK button, and then wait until this procedure would be finished. Please check all of the boxes here and then click for App System Files. Click on OK and then click on Delete Files so that you can start the procedure. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.